Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 12 in Pakistan with premium glass back design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display with resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio with 85.1% screen to body ratio with 396 ppi pixel density and with 90 Hz refresh rate and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection and on front water drop notch. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera along with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 2 megapixel macro camera for selfies. It has 8 megapixel camera will also be located under the water drop notch for the software. The handset turns on Android 13 based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top the device under the hood. The phone CPU is octa-core powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset paired with Mali G52MC2 to GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 168.60 by 76.28 by 8.17 mm and it weighs around 198.5 grams. And the color options: midnight black, sky blue, polar silver, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS 3.5 headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IP53 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi 12 has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 41,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Redmi 12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.